and they have another way of abbreviation which would be easy to the native Islam.
And your evidence is that the grassroots election that you're involved in would appreciate the shorter name.
Yes.
And indeed, National Unity Platform, the shorter name,
yes,
which is appreciated by the grassroots.
Yes.
Thank you. So, the intention you had there was done by the Electoral Commission. The inspector was transferred, but has now certain. What has happened? What is so weird now? That this shortened name, you don't want to hear about it. What has motivated you? No, I'm talking about your evidence. I'm talking about what you wanted since 2012 today. It's shortened the name. It has been achieved.
Today it has worked because you hear everybody can easily pronounce the
So now, everyone now can pronounce it. But you're saying it is not you. You are talking about another force. Help port. You shouldn't have to report. It is where. It is where God can help you. Who are these people who don't want to hear about it? You're saying that it is not me. Me, I've done my part. I changed it as the party president, as the chairman since 2012. But you're saying there's another person who don't want to hear about this. Help port. Who are these other people? We are going to listen.
I didn't mention that. I didn't say that there are other people who are interested.
You are saying it is not me. Who are these? Your evidence is that it is not me. Remember, you said it is not me. Me, I've done my part. It is now shorter name. It is appreciated by the grassroots. It is not me. Who is this?
Because as you may understand what is going on currently,
No, I'm concentrating on this.
Try to bring in new people in the political group, which are, of course, our leading, and the new people, the new group, which join us, not so much interest. We said, you can take on the administration, because we don't have a problem with it.
And for record, you are saying that the new group you are talking about is responding 3 up to 8. These are the new people you are talking about. That you agreed that they should take over.
I wish I saw that.
No, I can read. Number 3 is Chagolan Sentam Robert. Number 4 is Ben Chris. Number 5 is Aisha Kavanda. Number 6 Joel Senyoni. Number 7 is Flavia Carre. And number 8 is Nyan Fred Sentam. You are saying that you agreed this one can take leadership. That is evidence.
They could take leadership positions, including the members that were in NURP and I, who were to be assigned the new duties.
Is your complaint that you were never assigned new duties? Is that your complaint?
So the point is that I was not assigned any duties. I was sidelined.
You are sidelined.
But I think
what is recording?
Circumstances that bring me to be here.
Is it because you are sidelined?
Very unexplained. You can't explain the circumstances why I'm here. Me, all I did, I thought I was operating within a law. Then I brought in new people, even new people in the party. The intention was to bring our party into limelight, to real politics.
Yes.
And for me, whether given a portion of what to do or not, it didn't concern me at all. I knew the thing was moving positively. I knew guys who were there. I didn't have any bad feeling about it.
Where did the bad feeling come in? Later, sometimes. What happened?
The bad feeling probably could be that one of the people that I came with during the other team, people who should be in the rightful positions, were all sidelined and were not assigned the duties. They invited for meetings. So that one, I left those guys to fight it out.
Now,
But my people were also satellite. I don't know why.
can this one also mean that's why you